Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your cash account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to make a cash account in Robinhood, all you need to do is just simply create a new account. So basically the default account that you are creating is a cash account. So here I'm just going to log out and basically you can simply create an account. I'm just going to click this and basically here in your mobile app you can just click on sign up. So here you will need to add your region and other information. So basically, you will need just to add your region, you add your state, your address, and some other personal information. And after that, all you need to do is to log in, or they are going to log you automatically. And basically now, all you need to do after you open your account or you opening your account, and basically now you will need to go through the process of verifying your identity. So you can just go here and click on complete sign up in the investing pad, and then you will need just to investing tab, and you will add your social security number, and you are going just to ask to answer these questions, etc. And basically, then you will be able to start investing. So you will be eligible to start using Robinhood, and then you can start adding funds. To add funds, you will need just to go to your profile and then go to the three-bar menu. And from here, you will find transfers. By clicking on transfers, you will be able to deposit money from your external bank accounts and add them to your Robinhood account. And by that, you will be having your uh, cash account that is working, and you can start trading stocks from here by clicking on your stock, and you can start going to trade, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.